We are making first 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1, okay, 2, very lightly circle, just circle this, 1 2 3 3 1 2 3 and a half, 3.5. We are making this one circle like this. Okay, first I make this three. That's, and all circle are should be same size, same heights. Okay, so what I do now, I create the character with this circle. Okay, like this. See, this is the one circle, same height two circle, same height three circle, same height half circle. Okay, three full circle, one half circle. I do this. Why I do this? I want to make the character from here. Okay, just for example. Okay, we are making here character like this. This is the head. Okay, and the heads. Here we are creating neck. Here I am creating this, the chest. I mean that chest, and this the hip. Okay, I just make it like this. Basically, what? How many circles? The height total 1, 2, 3. So 1, 1, 2, 3, and it's 3.5. Right? This is 3.5. So I make first three circle of three circle, 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, and half circle. I first draw and I create the character over here. Okay, see, I make this and I make the leg. Okay, I just make the leg like this. Okay, this is head, this is torso. Torso means that chest, and this pelvis. Pelvis means the kama, and we are making this. We make it the leg. The leg. Okay. See, I make this legs like this. Another legs here. Okay, this is the basic characters height I maintain. Okay, so now I create the character eyes over here. So basically the four circle, three and a half circle. Whatever head size, the same height you can take from 4. This is a character. Uh, Up to 5 years old character. 1 to not 5. Yeah, 1 to 4 years old character. How to draw the 1 to 4 years old character? I show over here. See, mouth. Okay, here is a hairband. Here is a locks hairstyle. And here is a hairstyle like a Srijani's hairstyle like this. Simple, cute. Okay, we are making the dress, the hand. Okay, we are wearing the dress now. like this dress, and the hand, the hand. See the character I did with this 3/8 is called the 3.5 8 characters. Okay, how to make the 3.5 8 character? Okay, very simple with the using circle. Okay, same circle. If I draw the front character the same. How to make the front character? I make the front character over here. Same, I make circle like this. Font character. If I make font character, so I do clear drawing this one. Okay.
So can you please draw Naruto?
Yeah, I do.
Or Sasuke or Kakashi?
Kakashi. I do nicely. I show it nicely with brush pen and erasing the rough line paper.
No, sir. Can you draw Kakashi?
Kakashi.
Or Naruto?
Yeah, I can draw.
Yeah, one more, sir. The mask. One minute. Sir, this is Kakashi. This is Sasuke. This is Naruto.
Okay, well doing. I promise. Kakashi, Naruto. You just send the pictures. Can you send the pictures?
Yes, sir.
Any link or something like that?
Yes, sir. I sent.
I mix.
Can you send the link?
Oh, wow. We'll see. Just a minute.
Yes.
Makes the characters like simple. Okay, this is forehead. 3.5 8 character. How to create the full body character. This is some example. Make first like this. We are going to after that the to anime drawing like a Kakashi or something like that. Naruto. How to make this full body character.
So which character we are going to draw? This one?
Same character in front. How looks same character. It is some movie character of animation movie. It's called Disney movie character.
Yeah.
I want to share how to create, how to make. Uh,
So after this, can we make some realistic characters?
yeah, I make some this character. I make some semi-realistic. It's called Naruto or Kakashi, something like that.
Kakashi.
Yeah.
But I can also do something.
Hmm. Tell. Don't be shy. Don't be shy, please. Tell.
You can also draw Sasuke.
Sasuke. Yeah.
So this is an anime series.
Yeah. This is an. No, this is not anime.
Then
This is.
Naruto is anime series. And Kakashi? Kakashi. Kakashi is a part of Naruto.
Hmm.
I have not watched anime. I'm also listening it played the first time only. Yes.
They're also very famous. Kakashi, Naruto. They're very.
So actually my brothers watch anime and he has a very great addiction. So
Ah. It's sometimes it's addiction. Yes, beta.
Sir, after this, can you draw cartoon characters like Tom and Jerry and all?
Tom and Jerry. Yeah, I like that Tom and Jerry.
Okay, sir.
Tom and Jerry is so fine, no? Everybody loves that.
Yes, sir. So after this, we can draw Tom and Jerry both faces, both from faces.
Hmm. Okay.
I want to make this. So yesterday's homework, sir, I have made only the outline only, part only.
Okay.
Only the watercoloring is there. Today I will buy watercolors and draw it completely.
Okay.
So can you give me some homework like some elastic type, some shading homework?
बेटा shading homework.
You can search in Google like shading tips for beginners and you'll get some pictures. You can get.